my dear students, my dear friends, my dear ones, whatever you are. But you are so much dear to me, there is no doubt. Today, we have a speaking session, and you have to tell the importance of a doctor, that how is a doctor important, necessary for our society? What is the role of a doctor in our society? How a doctor is useful for us? Can we live without a doctor? So these are the things that you have to describe in your speaking. And I have got so many names for today's session. And now I'm calling you one by one. So first of all, I am calling Yamini. Is she here or not?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yes, come on, Yamini. Aaja beta.
Ye- Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Saum. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B80. Today, my topic is Doctor is a person who serves country more.
Hmm.
So, in my views, a doctor is a person who serves the country more. There are several reasons which prove it.
Hmm.
The doctor is not God, but doctor is not less than God.
Hmm.
The doctor is a person who can save a life who can save life of several
Hmm.
people
Hmm.
in his and her life.
Hmm.
The doc the doctor sorry sir, suppose that in some natural disaster there are several people who injured, and they immediately want treatment. The doctors the doctors are the person who can treat them properly, and they and can save their life. uh, the doctors find out so many vaccines of so many viruses by which our world can survive. We can take example like coronavirus. In coronavirus, we can saw that there are sorry sir, the government applied lockdown, but the, the that lockdown was only applicable on other people, not not on doctors, because doctors are the person. No, sorry sir, the doctor were the persons who can uh, who can who can save who can save the life of,
Could save.
sorry sir, who could save the life of the patient. So we can say that the doctors are important. Also, the doctors help those people who have not eyes, legs, hands, by treating them properly. There are there are some special doctors who treat our minds. These doctors called psychologists. The person no one can understand him and her. The doctor psychiatrist was the person who tried to understand him and her and treat them and make them a normal person. So uh, in this view, we can say that the doctors are more served to a country. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। आज तो गलतियां मत कम की तूने, आज बहुत फोकस था तेरा। ऐसे ही रखना चाहिए बेटा। डाउन नहीं होना चाहिए हमारा परफॉर्मेंस कभी भी, इम्प्रूव ही होना चाहिए। यस, कम ऑन रचित।
Yes, sir.
सुनिए ध्यान
Hello
से।
everyone. My name is Rakshit.
हाँ।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today's my topic is the importance of doctors in the society. As you all know that doctors are very important for a society because to treat anyone we need a doctor, and as if there is any serious injury, there are only doctors who will help the patient to recover the injury, and doctors are very important. They work day and night to treat patients. They are like a god for people, and doctors play an important, a very big role in the society for the people. And as you all know that in our country most of the people live in villages, and because of and there are many less facilities in villages, and people are not so careful about hygiene, and in some also there are some villages where there is very bad condition, like there is not clean water to drink, there is contaminated water, and there are
Very good. Nice
there,
using of the vocabulary. Very good. Shabash. Yes.
there is not good food to eat. So the people of that place are caught by many diseases like TB, etc. And so to recover the injury, there is only doctor who can help them. And we can take many examples, like when an accident take place, doctor helps the person who is injured to recover, and doctors treat the patient with their full potential,
बहुत बढ़िया.
and doctors also suggest patient to recover the injury, and their aim and destiny is to treat the patient
शाबाश.
nicely, and
बहुत बढ़िया.
to give him or her a good life. And like there are also many disasters and terrorist attacks at many places, and by this there are many accidents take place to the people. So doctors go there and treat the patients, and and so by so at last in at last I want to say that doctors are very important for the society. So that's it.
Very good, Rakshit. You used nice vocabulary, nice words. Very good, Shabash. This is called improvement. Follow it. This is for all. Okay? Shabash, beta. Come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. My name is Gaurav and my today's topic is the role of doctors in our society. Doctors are very important for our society as they treat people and save them from diseases, viruses, injuries, and other diseases or threats.
शाबाश. Very good. ऐसे बोलो बस आराम से
And,
flow के साथ. Very good, beta. हाँ.
and if there is a attack or some natural disaster on a city, so doctor's team will come and will treat the person who is injured in the disaster or attack, and the peop- and people lives are very safe, as there are doctors in our societies, and there are many diseases like malaria, dengue, and etc. that are सर फैलने को क्या बोलेंगे?
Spreading.
That they are spreading from the garbage, and doctor always say that we should keep our society clean, neat and clean. And doctors are very important for every people in the country, because if the teacher is ill, so doctor will treat him or her. And if an army man is sick, so the doctor will treat him. if there is no doctor in our society, so who will treat
Very good.
the
Very good. Nice
who will,
explanation. Shabash.
so who will treat the peoples of our society?
Hmm.
And as if there are no doctors, all people were ill and the virus will spread easily and the whole world will destroyed
Hmm.
if there is no doctors. And you know that there are many viruses coming. Doctor is one and only soldier in that virus period. And in virus pandemic,
Hmm.
doctor is only soldier
Hmm.
and the only soldier
Nice
that
comparison.
is
Shabash. Very good. This is metaphor. Yes, bol beta shabash. हाँ.
that is that is working hard day and night, midnight and evening.
Hmm.
And it is working hard for peoples only and
People's need.
earn
हाँ, बोलो.
and earn a little bit.
Hmm.
But the but for doctors, money is not very precious. The life that he or she is saving is more important. That's it. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा फ्लो, बहुत अच्छा था तेरा आज. अच्छा कंपैरिजन किया, बहुत अच्छा. ऐसे फोकस्ड रहो, परफॉर्म करो अपना. बस लाइफ में परफॉर्मेंस ही सब कुछ होता है. ध्यान रख लेना. आप कहीं भी हो, आपको हैबिट होनी चाहिए. यू शुड हैव द हैबिट ऑफ गिविंग योर बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस वेयर एवर यू आर. इट डजंट मैटर मच. मेक इट क्लियर. परफॉर्म करोगे तो जिंदगी में कोई नहीं रोक सकता आपको. किसी भी फील्ड में हो आप, कहीं पर भी हो आप, whether you are in play field, whether you are in kitchen, whether you are in at your study table, wherever you are, give your best. तब आता है मजा आपकी जिंदगी का. Yes, come on, Arshit More.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is uh, doctors house more for our society. In my view, doctors are very important for our society, and as they treat our society in a very good manner, so that everyone can lead a good and happy life. Doctors are very important to treat many diseases that are causing nowadays. Like there are many examples to prove that doctors are very important in our society. Like we can take the example uh, of COVID-19. At the time, many people were in lockdown, and only the doctors were there who were saving the life of people by giving them doses and
शाबाश.
motivating them
Nice flow.
to
शाबाश
be
बेटा. हाँ.
confident. And we can also take the examples of villages, like in major population of India is living in villages, and sometimes there is the lack of facilities such as water and sewage. Such a type of facilities are not there, and there is too much unhygiene. So in these types of cases, sometimes villagers uh, may be harmed from these diseases. So doctors are only there to cure them. And sometimes we can see that there are many disasters uh, which are very harmful to our health, economy, and many more. And at the time, only doctors are there to save our life, and they are the only person who can save our country from these disasters,
Very good.
and can tell us what to do and how these disasters can uh, can be removed from our society. So in my view, uh, doctors are very important uh, for our society. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा. नाइस फ्लो बेटा. बहुत वर्ड्स बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं. यूज कर रहे हो. वेरी गुड. यही है बस. यही चाहिए अपने को बेटा, है ना. हाँ, नए नए वर्ड्स यूज करो. जो सीखते जा रहे हो उनको यूज करो. यूज कर लोगे 2-4 बार तो परमानेंट हो जाएंगे वो वर्ड्स आपके पास. ध्यान रखना. माइंड है ये अपना. माइंड को यूज करना सीखो प्रैक्टिस के थ्रू. यस, कम ऑन रोहित.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about that how doctors are important for our society. As you all know that in our country, doctors are very important. Not in our country, in whole world, doctors are very important. We see doctor God because she can save us from any diseases. And they treat us in every situation. Like if we can take example of villages. In villages there are not good facilities like sewage, these types of facilities are not there in villages, and people live in the unhygienic environment, and that is why they fell ill, and after some time they have to go to doctors. At that time, some people catch dangerous diseases, while some get low diseases which are not that much harmful, but uh, uh, um, but decreases the immunity of a person. And so in that condition, doctor is the most helpful person for the people in villages. And as we all know that in villages hospitals are no hospitals, and we can say doctors are less, and but the doctors which are there in the villages are worshipped by the people of that village, because the doctor saves everyone in the village with his or her full potential, as if they are his own family members. And in cities also, doctor treat every people like like a child, and as you know that there are many disasters in the world, like floods, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions. These types of disasters come every day in the whole the world. And first of all, at that spot, the doctors are sent, because doctors are the only one who can save the injured persons, uh, and stop the people, and stop the threats at that place. And as you know that when a disaster come, it brings a lot of destruction, and at that time, as we can see that when disaster come, the two types of things happen. So first of all, the human property destroys it, but if and the humans get injured. But if we can see that the property can come again, but the humans cannot come again. So that is why doctors play a crucial role at that time, because they save the people who are injured, and and arise a new hope in them that they can live more. And if we can say that the doctor, someone who has lost all his hopes of living, a doctor can motivate him, and can bring him to the right path, and the person all and the person is always thankful of the doctor. And if we are suffering from a disease that is harmful for our body, and if the doctor cured us, then the if the doctor will cure us, then the person who has the disease will always praise the doctor, the doctor raised him, and that is why the person is out of danger today. So in most of the cases, doctor play an important role, and doctor saves the people from the disease. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह यार, तो तेरी फ्लो बहुत अच्छा रहा, और वो अटकाव खत्म हो गया तेरा, बार बार रिपीट करता था ना तू, वो खत्म हो गया। फोकस बेटा, सब ये अपने को इम्प्रूव करना है, मतलब ऐसा होना चाहिए पानी की तरफ फ्लो आएगा, धीरे धीरे होता है, फोकस करो बस। ठीक है बेटा? यस, कम ऑन हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is how doctor serves more for the country. As we all know that we can take many example for saying that the doctor serve a country more. One and the biggest example of it is COVID-19, because in COVID-19 there were only two services which were open, that were first banks and second doctors. Uh, at that time doctors served a most, because they found the cure for the COVID, and gave doses to the persons who were affected by COVID. And we can take a recent example of doctor's bravery, that while a doctor who was curing a cancer patient, and got a cut by his tool, and in this way he also got affected by the cancer. And in many natural disasters and calamities, rescue teams rescue the injured person, and they only rescue the person. Then and they do not cure the person, and the person who will cure the injured man will be the doctor. And as we know that although there are a lot of facilities in the urban areas, but then also the urban people do not care of that and throw garbages on the corners. In this way there are flies and mosquitoes over there, and which causes dengue and malaria diseases. uh, and so in this way, by curing the person from dengue and malaria type diseases, doctor serves a more for the country. That's it.
वेरी बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया है, शाबाश. यस, कोमल, आ जा बेटा.
Ye- Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Behra and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 20. And today my topic is doctors are very important in our life. We all know that we are human beings and we have many occupations like teacher, doctor, engineer, etc. And doctors are one of them, and doctors are very important and necessary for our life because uh, they give best treatment in every diseases, and doctors are very helpful for our treatment, and they give their best to every person. And we all know that
वेरी
in
बेस्ट नहीं
our
बेटा, बेस्ट करो. वेरी नहीं होता है, बेस्ट के साथ कभी नहीं लगा.
yes sir. And we all know that there are many clinics, hospitals, and medical stores, etc. And we have best doctors, and they do their best, and they do their best treatment to their patient. And we all know that doctors have much knowledge to every diseases, and doctors save us with doctors save us our life. And we all know that we have there are many disasters and bad diseases also. They treat us best, and they give us best medicine uh, to feel better in early time. And we all know that doctors treat us doctors treat us with best treatment. And we we all know that there we have many big hospitals, and in that hospitals there are very big doctors also, and they treat their patient with best helpful, and
विद
all
बेस्ट एफर्ट्स.
with
हेल्पफुल कैसे
best
रहेगा?
effort.
हाँ.
And we all know that all patients and also parents trust trust doctors because they treat their patient to their person. And we
पेशेंट
all
से
know
लेके
that
पर्सन कैसे
doctor
आएगा? इतना कंफ्यूज क्यों हो रही है?
and doctors are very good for us, and doctors are also necessary for our life. And we all know that when we are injured and when we are ill, we pray to god. But in our life, doctors save us with treatment and medicines also. And we can say that doctors are very important in our life, and we can say that doctors give second birth in our life. That's it, sir.
टू अस. ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. कोशिश करो बेटा, और इतना कंफ्यूज मत होगा, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस और डेवलप कर इसको. हाँ, है ना? हाँ, अच्छा बोला, बहुत अच्छा है, सब कुछ अच्छा है तेरा. कभी कभी इधर उधर हो जाती है, क्यों? अब बिल्कुल, अब तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो तुम. फिर क्या बात है? यस, कम ऑन सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16. and today my topic is the importance of doctors. As we know that all occupations are important for our society, but according to me, doctor is more important. And as we know that the most of population of our country live in villages, and m- and in villages there is no proper system of drainage water, and also in villages sewer lines don't exist, and by which many diseases take place, and villagers are affected by them, and in their bad condition doctors help them. And as we know that many states have been affected by storm, earthquakes, flood, etc. And and in them many a number of people have sustained danger injuries, and doctors reach to them and they save them by giving injections, capsule, medicines. And army doctors are important for us because in earthquake, flood, and
स्ट्रोम नहीं बेटा, स्टॉर्म.
storm. Yes, army doctors reach to them and they save them, and they save them village to village and also interior areas. And doctor is very important because as we know that now present time our food is not pure, and we become ill, so we need doctors. Without doctors our life is not possible. And and we can take an example of it that in COVID-19 there was most important there was most important contribute of doctors, because in COVID-19 doctors saved many people.
Very good.
And when we have any emergency, hospitals are open for us for 24 hours, and there is no fixed time of their duties,
Very good.
and they do their duties from day to night.
Very good.
So keeping these points, I can see that doctors is very important. So that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, थोड़ा सा और ग्रामर पे फोकस करना है, बाकी बहुत अच्छा है. एवरीथिंग इज नाइस, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, सिस्टम
Okay, sir.
अच्छे से डेवलप हो चुका है. बस थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे तो अभी करेक्ट होने लग जाएंगी चीजें, और करेक्ट होने लग जाएंगी. 1-2% जहाँ पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो भी ठीक होने लग जाएंगी. ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir.
बाकी चलती है,
Yes.
कोई टेंशन मत ले, सब बढ़िया है, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Now Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm the student of Rambal English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is doctor. As we know that we are human beings and we become doctor, engineer, and and a soldier. But a doctor serve more to a country
शाबाश शाबाश, अच्छे से बोल, आराम से, धीरे धीरे बोल, तसल्ली से. हाँ.
because he save uh, because he save all over the world in our world.
हमारे
Because,
वर्ड कोई बात नहीं, बोल. सुनाकर थोड़ा सा एक बार सुनेगा तो पता चलेगा, हाँ यार ये गलती मैंने की. आगे बोल.
yes sir, doctor doctor is very important because they they solve they solve they solve the problem of the people. Like some people are injury from natural disasters. Some people are injured by any attacks of
बोल बोल बोल.
any any attack of सर आतंकवादी को क्या कहते हैं?
टेररिस्ट.
Terrorist. They solve their they solve their they solve their they solve their injuries and give them a new life. Some
तसल्ली से बोल बेटा.
we can take the example of villages, like because villages don't have civil lines. They don't have pure water. So they become ill and uh, become so much ill, and sometimes they become die.
बिकम डाई क्या होता है? दे डाई.
So sometimes they die. And in so doctors save their lives, and doctors save their life from pollutions and all the diseases. Like we can take the example of coronavirus. In lockdown, all people are doing fun with their families,
बाहर
but
कैसे आ जाएगा? वो तो पास्ट का हो गया ना, थोड़ा फोकस नहीं करता है.
all people were fun with their families, but doctors are working
मेकिंग फन.
were making fun with their families, but doctors were working. They working at last moment. They were die. They 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 were suffering from many diseases, but they were working on the coronavirus. From the coronavirus. At last they find the antidote of the coronavirus.
फाउंड आएगा, टेंस की बहुत गलती करते हो तुम.
They found the antidote of the coronavirus.
Vaccine,
And
not antidote. Antidote is a different thing. हाँ, आगे बोलो.
vaccine of coronavirus and saved all over the world. So keeping these points in my thoughts, doctor are best forever. Yes, that's it.
वेरी गुड. तुम टेंस का ध्यान रखो भाई साहब थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir.
में ध्यान रखा करो जब तुम्हारे माइंड में जब प्रोसेस चले तो ये प्रेजेंट है या पास्ट है. हाँ,
Okay.
ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है बेटा. बिना टेंस के तो सारा खेल ही खराब हो जाएगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा. प्रिया, हाँ बेटा, सभी लोग ध्यान रखो इन चीजों का. हाँ प्रिया.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is the role of a doctor in our society. Doctors play a vital role in this
सुनो सब लोग ध्यान
society.
से, वर्ड्स पे ध्यान दो. हाँ.
We are nothing without them because they serve selflessly to this nation, and our life can't be imagined if there is no doctor in this society.
Very good.
And the present age is the age of science. Science has given us many benefits, but also some harmful effects. Like we get many diseases, natural calamity, and accidents also. And but we are safe and healthy because only because of doctors,
Shabash. Very good.
and they give us treating and medicines illness according to the illness. And doctors not only treat us in the hospital but also go to many interior areas, and they serve us, and they serve themselves day and night, and there is no fixed time of them. And doctors are the god for the victim whom they treat, because they treat them selflessly, and they came to them they come to them with hope and trust.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
And uh, doctor's aim and destiny is this only treating the patients.
तो इस दिस की जरूरत नहीं. इज ट्रीटिंग द पेशेंट ऐसे भी चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं. बोल बोल बोल, बहुत बच्चा बोल रही है, बोलती रहे.
And in present time, in every age of number, there are a lot of diseases in them. So only the doctor can treat them, and the doctor have the power to change the blind into sighted position, and lame onto their feet, and deaf into attentive position.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश. भी लग रहा है लिटरेचर पढ़ती है. वाह.
Yes, sir. They have treatment of each diseases, and doctors save our life by risking their own lives. So, in my conclusion, we can't imagine our life without doctors, and doctors are the real hero of this society. That's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. ऐसे धीरे धीरे आराम से तसल्ली तसल्ली से बोलना चाहिए. भागा दौड़ी नहीं करनी चाहिए. सभी लोग सुनो, हड़बड़ाना नहीं चाहिए. तसल्ली से धीरे धीरे आराम से चलने दो. थॉट्स को आने दो, प्रोड्यूस करो, उनको उनको डिलीवर करो. उनको एक सिस्टम है, उसको सुनो. इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ दूसरों को सुना करो. मैं तो सबको सुनता हूँ बहुत ध्यान से, मेरा भी इंप्रूवमेंट होता है उससे. ये समझ लेना इस बात को अच्छे तरीके से. लिसनिंग इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. If you want to be a good speaker, you will have to become a good listener also. Yes, Vaishnavi, come on.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B18, and today our topic is importance of doctor in our life. As you know that there are many occupations like teacher,
Shabash.
engineer,
हाँ.
doctor, etc. And doctors are one of them. Uh, Doctors are very important in human beings for human beings because
शाबाश. ऐसे ठीक करके बोला करो. वेरी गुड. बोल बोल बोल. हाँ.
for human beings because they help to the sick people
तू की
to
जरूरत नहीं थी. हाँ,
become
बोलो बोलो बोलो.
to become to stay health
तू
to
हाँ, ठीक
stay
है ठीक है.
healthy,
हाँ, to make him healthy. Okay.
to make him or her healthy.
हाँ.
And there are many types of doctors like cardiologist or cardiologist, dentist, etc. And
शाबाश शाबाश.
doctor is a god for patients, and
there is no doctor, so we can't survive. So we can't imagine our life and
Hmm.
our life and so we can't imagine our life.
इस तरह से स्टक नहीं होना है तुम्हारे को, ये बात तुम्हारे को ध्यान रखनी है बेटा, इसको ठीक करना है तुम्हारे को, चाहे तुम कम बोल के फ्री हो जाओ, पर इस तरह से अपने को बिल्कुल ऐसे अपन हो जाते हैं ना कभी कभी ब्लॉक, ये इस कंडीशन से छुटकारा पाना है, ठीक है बेटा। और अपने माइंड को एक्टिव करो, बोलो आगे बोलो, ठीक करना है बेटा, इसको बस ध्यान रख के। हाँ,
and doctor works in a hospital and they treat the sick people when we when we suffer from any disease, so we can go to the doctor.
सो नहीं, उधर इफ लग गया, सो की जरूरत नहीं है, या वैन लगा दिया, आगे बोलो, फोकस करो, मैं जो बताता हूँ चीजों पे बेटा, इसलिए कहता हूँ रिकॉर्डिंग सुना करो, आपको खुद की गलतियां पता चलेंगी कहाँ कहाँ पर सर हमको ठीक करवा रहे हैं। आगे बोलो बेटा, बोलो बेटा।
when we suffer from any disease, we can consult to the doctor and they give medicines to
us, our क्या, हाँ
to us.
हाँ, फोकस कर बेटा, और थोड़ा फोकस कर, मुझे फोकस की थोड़ी कमी नजर आ रही है, माइंड को ऐसे क्या कर एकदम फोकस, सब कुछ है तेरे पास, बस थोड़ी सी कुछ इंटरनल अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है। बोल बोल आगे बोल, अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है तेरा, पर मुझे और अभी इसके अंदर यूफानी की तरह चाहिए मेरे को, एकदम ऐसे मजा आए, कहाँ कमी है उसको एनालिसिस करो और दूर करो बेटा, है ना। बोलो बोलो आगे बोलो, घबराओ मत।
So in the last, I want to say that the doctors are very important in our life.
वेरी गुड। अब ये क्यों इस तरह की चीजें हो जाती हैं, ये आपको खुद को एनालिसिस करना है आज बैठ के क्लास के बाद, ठीक है बेटा। हाँ, अपने को यूं चाहिए बेटा, पानी की तरह। इंग्लिश लिटरेचर तुम्हारे पास में है, इंग्लिश मीडियम में तुम पढ़ रहे हो, मेरे पास भी पढ़ रहे हो, अपने को चाहे कम बोलना है, अच्छे ढंग से खत्म करना है, बीच में इतना अटकाव नहीं आना चाहिए, ये अच्छी चीज नहीं मानी जाती है बेटा। अभी तो मेरे पास हो तुम, कोई बात नहीं, कहीं बोलोगे तो, अभी किसी जीडी में बैठे हो, कहीं किसी इंटरव्यू में बैठे हो, कहीं और बैठे हो, वहां तो मामला खराब हो जाएगा कि नहीं हो जाएगा। हाँ, और बहुत आगे तुमको जाना है, इंग्लिश में जब अपना करियर बनाना है तो फिर इसको और इम्प्रूव करना है, फोकस करोगे तो हो जाएगा। रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनना अपनी, पता चलेगा यार कहाँ पे मैं क्या हो रहा था मेरे साथ, है ना बेटा। एफर्ट्स करो बस, करना कुछ नहीं है, कोई किताब लेके नहीं बैठना है, एफर्ट्स करो बस अपने, है ना बेटा। हाँ,
Yes, sir.
ओके बेटा। लक्ष्मी कहाँ गई, बाहर हो गई क्या?
Yes, sir.
ये कहीं नहीं जाती है ये छोरी, एब्सेंट छुट्टी नहीं करती।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is a doctor. There are many doctors like psychologist doctors and dentist doctor and
डेंटिस्ट डॉक्टर,
orthopedist.
साइकोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं होती इनके साथ।
Yes, sir. And etc. And there are many types of diseases,
शाबाश,
and the doctor are country's wealth.
वेरी गुड, अरे वाह।
Doctor is important roles in our life.
इसकी जगह हैज आएगा, बाद में सुनना रिकॉर्डिंग में, अब आगे बोल।
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Doctor wear white coat, and the doctor have to study very hard,
हैज टू,
and most of
सिंगुलर में हैज टू, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोल, सुनना रिकॉर्डिंग में, पता चलेगा तेरे को, आगे बोल।
doctor go for preparation doctor in other country
नहीं sir, doctor has to go for preparation
हाँ,
in the other country,
to the other countries.
and
हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो, कोई बात नहीं,
and
बोलो. हाँ,
a doctor has many responsibility,
हाँ,
and the doctor live in the hospital, and they treat patient and sick people. When the army is sick, when the doctor treat them, and there are many natural disasters, and the doctor treat many people, and one July is celebrated as a doctor day in our India, and it is said that doctor give new life a hopeless patient,
to a hopeless patient.
and there are many types of diseases like smallpox, cholera, dengue, etc.
Hmm.
And doctor have
As doctor
all
बोल रही है, ऐसे ध्यान रखा.
diseases.
हाँ,
Yes sir. Doctor save many people life, and doctor has to work morning to evening,
from morning to evening. आगे बोल, बोलती
and
रहे, ये सब रिकॉर्डिंग में सुन लेना बाद में. हाँ,
gradually
gradually.
every doctor develop their skills, and they want to be best doctor,
हाँ,
and most of the doctors famous
are famous.
if we sick,
We are sick.
and the doctor treat,
Treat नहीं,
we are
treat.
sick,
Treat नहीं,
doctor
तभी
treat
हाँ हाँ बोल.
treat
Hmm.
and there are many types of doctor where is no facilities, and there are no doctors.
There are many villages. आगे बोल. उन्होंने डॉक्टर बोल दिया उसके लिए. कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोल, तू बढ़, आगे बढ़. हाँ.
Yes sir.
फोकस कर, घबराए मत.
Doctors behavior is significant.
Significant. हाँ, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा वर्ड लेके आई है.
And
Significant, शाबाश. हाँ.
when the virus spread
Spread. हाँ.
whole the environment, the doctor do every situation right,
Every doctor.
and
हाँ बोल, आगे बोल.
that's it sir.
कोई बात नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है. कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा आ गया तेरे अंदर, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही
Yes
है.
sir.
अब 5-7-10% की जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, वो थोड़ी सी रिकॉर्डिंग करके ठीक करने सुनने से आएगी बेटा, है ना. हाँ. अब डॉक्टर तू बोल रही थी सिंगुलर,
Yes sir.
और उसको मेंशन करी थी तो प्लूरल में, वर्ब उसके साथ यूज करी थी प्लूरल. तो छोटी सी बात बताइए मैंने, डॉक्टर अगर सिंगुलर यूज कर रहे हो तो उसको
हाँ
फिर
सर.
आप सिंगुलर के हिसाब से चलो, या फिर यहाँ पर आप डॉक्टर्स वर्ड को यूज करो तो आगे फिर प्लूरल के हिसाब चलो. है ये छोटी सी बात बेटा, पर इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा ये.
हाँ सर.
लिटरेचर के स्टूडेंट हो बेटा तुम, समझ गए ना.
Yes
कोई भी
sir.
हो, चाहे लिटरेचर के नहीं हो तो भी, और आप लिटरेचर के हो तो आपकी दोहरी जिम्मेदारी होगी. देखो सीधी सी बात है बेटा. हाँ.
Yes sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, शाबाश बेटा. यस, कम ऑन खुशी बैरवा.
Today is my topic, a doctor. Doctors is
अब डॉक्टर्स
very
केस कैसे हो जाएगा?
sorry
फोकस
sir.
कर थोड़ा सा, इतना भद्दा लगेगा बेटा.
Doctor is very important our society.
इन आवर सोसाइटी, प्रीपोजिशन के बिना लटक जाएगा वो हवा में. अगर
In our society,
बोल बोल बोल.
doctor is the second God
हाँ शाबाश,
to
आराम तसल्ली से बोल, जल्दीबाजी नहीं है हमारे को।
to give life to man.
शाबाश, तसल्ली से बोल, कहा तेरे को जल्दी हो रही, ट्रेन छूट रही है तेरा।
Doctor always helps people.
वेरी गुड, देख फोकस किया तो एकदम गलती नहीं आ रही। हाँ, फिर होठ नहीं हिलने चाहिए तेरे, बोलते समय मुंह खुलना चाहिए, होठ नहीं हिलने चाहिए, बंद करी इस आदत को। हाँ
There are many different types of doctors.
हाँ, फोकस ला, थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर, होठ नहीं हिलने चाहिए, ऐसे हिल रहे तेरे बिना। हाँ,
Doctor give us medicines.
अब और फोकस कर, स्पीड आएगी।
He 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 protect us from diseases.
शाबाश। हाँ, दो सेंटेंस के बीच का गैप कम करने की कोशिश कर, धीरे धीरे फोकस कर, अपना एकदम अलर्ट हो जा। कर सकती है तो कर लेगी आराम से, 5 दिन में कर लेगी। हाँ,
Doctor's behavior is very good
शाबाश शाबाश।
toward patient.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड।
Doctor save the lives of many people regularly.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, अब गैप कम कर दो सेंटेंस के बीच का, बस धीरे 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 धीरे, होठ नहीं ले, बिल्कुल नहीं ले होठ ना।
We understand the importance of doctor. Importance of doctor when they saved patients during
हाँ,
the
शाबाश।
corona
अरे
period.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। अब स्पीड ला, बस धीरे 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 धीरे, फोकस कर, माइंड को और फास्ट करा।
Doctors are very well respected in our society.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, वेरी गुड।
Medicines cure diseases, but
डिसीजेस बोल, आगे बोल, सुन लेना रिकॉर्डिंग में। हाँ, कहा मैंने क्या ठीक करवाया।
only doctors can cure patients. That's
क्योर
it, sir.
क्योर ही नहीं, क्योर। अब रिकॉर्डिंग सुनेगी तो पता चल जाएगा, बार बार सुनना क्या मैंने क्या ठीक करवाया है। अब देख फिर तू 5 दिन में देख, आज देख तेरा गैप कम हो गया कि नहीं हो गया, होठ हिलने बंद हो गए तेरे। फोकस करेगी तो 10 दिन में यूं सेंटेंस के बाद सेंटेंस आएगा। चिंता मत कर बिल्कुल भी, मैं जैसे कह रहा हूँ तू बस करती जा बेटा, है ना। यही ट्रेनिंग है बट बेटा, और कुछ नहीं है ना। हाँ, यस, वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा। अच्छा बोलती है तू, कुछ चीजें मैं ठीक करवा दूंगा तेरी, चिंता मत कर तू। यस आदित्य, अरे बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Dhanawat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from V18. Today's our topic is what is the role of doctor in our society? Yes, sir. Doctor are very important in our life.
डॉक्टर या
Without doctor,
डॉक्टर्स, अगर आर लगा रहा है तो फिर तो ध्यान रखना इस चीज का बेटा।
yes, sir. Doctors are very useful for our life. In the corona, doctors save us
सेव्ड,
and
साइंस का
he
ध्यान
saved
रखो।
us.
हाँ,
There are different types of doctors, surgery doctors,
फिजिशियंस।
physicians doctors, etc.
हाँ, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना बना बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, करेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर। हाँ,
डॉक्टर्स टेक, जिम्मेदारी को क्या कहेंगे?
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी।
दिस इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ डॉक्टर सेव द पेशेंट.
टू सेव द पेशेंट्स। वो आगे बोलो, बाद में सुनना, रिकॉर्डिंग में पता चल जाएगा कहाँ मैंने ठीक करवाया। आगे बोलते रहो।
In the village, with in the village, many people are there are not doctors in villages, and many
शाबाश।
and
हाँ,
village people take take med shop mini shops medicines.
मेडिसिन्स फ्रॉम मिनी शॉप्स।
Yes, sir.
फोकस कर, फोकस की कमी है, कंफ्यूज मत हो, फोकस कर, परफॉर्मेंस आएगा। इधर इधर उधर मत देख, कहीं भी ध्यान मत लगा, बस तेरे टॉपिक पे, तेरे थॉट्स पे ध्यान लगा बस.
Yes, sir. Without doctors, we नहीं,
फिर कंफ्यूज हो गया.
we become ill
हाँ 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 हाँ,
and
फोकस कर थोड़ा सा, माइंड को फास्ट कर थोड़ा सा. स्पोर्ट्समैन है यार.
and we take online medicines and online medicines are harmful.
हाँ हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश. हाँ
At last, I want to say that doctors are very important in our life. Yes, that's
हाँ, थोड़ा दिमाग को पकड़ के रखा कर, थोड़ा फोकस डेवलप कर अपना, समझ गया ना.
yes, sir.
फोकस की कमी दिख रही है, बाकी कुछ नहीं है. इंटेलिजेंट लड़का है तू, थोड़ा सा माइंड को पकड़ के रख बेटा, है ना. खुशी गुजर.
Yes, sir. My name is Kushi Gujjar. My topic is doctor. Doctor is very important in our life. Very important in our life because the doctor save the lives of many people regularly. Doctors work in hospital and clinic.
शाबाश.
Doctors wear white coat.
परफेक्ट. वोट बदला.
Okay, sir.
माइंड को फास्ट कर, सेंटेंस के बीच का गैप कम करने की कोशिश कर. आ जाएगा, धीरे धीरे कर, घबराए मत. हाँ, ये प्रैक्टिस से आएगा सब कुछ. हाँ
Doctors treat people
हाँ,
who are sick and injured.
परफेक्ट, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. बोल.
There are many different type doctor like psycho, dental, etc.
हाँ हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, घबराओ मत. हाँ, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलो.
Doctor,
मुझे देखो,
a doctor,
लुक एट मी, मेरी आंखों में देखो, ऐसे. हाँ, बोलो अब.
we should always respect all doctors.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड. बोलती जा बस, जो मन में आए
And
बोल.
and a doctor has an important role in our society.
हाँ हाँ, शाबाश.
That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं है, बोला बोला, अच्छा बोला. मेरी गलती की बहुत कम गुंजाइश थी. धीरे धीरे फास्ट माइंड को पकड़ के रखो बेटा, फोकस करो, है ना. हाँ, ग्रामेटिकल बहुत सही थे तेरे सेंटेंसेस, परफेक्ट. अब थोड़ा थॉट्स को लाना, घबराना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, फोकस करना है चीज के ऊपर. जितना मन अंदर से शांत रहोगे ना, थॉट्स आते चले जाएंगे बेटा, कोई चिंता करने की बात नहीं बेटा, है ना. हाँ, अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यस रश्मि. रश्मि.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My topic is doctors. Doctors play a very important role in our life. Doctors give us life. Doctors help patients to get relief from their pains. Doctors help. Doctors are many types: neurologists, dermatologists, cardiologists, heart surgeon, etc. Doctors are
आराम से बोल, आराम से बोल.
from
स्पीड कम करो थोड़ी. कैमरा बंद कर लो अपना.
doctor,
कैमरा बंद कर लो. स्पीड कम करो बोलने की, स्पीड स्लो
doc-
को बोलने की. हाँ.
okay, sir. Doctor treat our illness and injuries. We have seen in the past that the blazes are not situated in planned manner. There is no proper system of drainage water. Blazers don't maintain hygiene. so they become quickly sick. Doctor treat them and give some medicines. The doctors play major roles in COVID. In
प्लेस
COVID,
प्लेड आएगा
they
बेटा, पास्ट की बात बता रहे हो, प्लेड आएगा, प्लेड मेजर रोल, इसका ध्यान रखो।
sorry sir,
हाँ आगे बोलो।
they treat COVID patients, but they also sick.
They became
But
became also sick.
they became also sick.
हाँ आराम से बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, मैंने कहा ना स्पीड कम रख।
Okay sir.
हाँ
Some
उसी में ध्यान रख, कौन सी
doctors
वर्ब फॉर्म है, कौन सा टेंस है। हाँ बोल।
some doctors were dead
हाँ
because they treat the COVID patients.
ट्रीटेड, पास्ट टेंस में चल रहा है ना।
Treated COVID patient.
थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे तो हो जाएगा बेटा, ठीक। हाँ बोल।
Doctors is very important in our life. Doctors
हाँ बोल बोल बोल।
doctors are very important in our life. Doctors help to in many ways.
तू क्यों लगा रही है?
That's it.
थोड़ी सी स्पीड कम रख बेटा, है ना। जल्दी के चक्कर में तेरी कई चीजें तेरे को पता होती भी गड़बड़ कर जाती है। थोड़ी सी स्पीड बेटा कम रख, है ना बेटा। हाँ परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा है तेरा, पर मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, स्पीड अपनी थोड़ी कम रख, बाद में आ जाएगी स्पीड अपनी। अभी करेक्टनेस की तरफ ध्यान दो, है ना। अब भैया और कौन कौन है? यस, मैं जहां तक देख रहा हूँ मधु का नाम, मधु, शी इज नॉट हियर। काजल,
सर मधु दीदी नहीं है।
मधु दीदी, काजल,
सर काजल की भी तबीयत खराब हो गई, उसने मैसेज।
ओके, एंड वन इज मोर, मुस्कान, शी इज आल्सो नॉट हियर। ओके ओके, आई एम क्लोजिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग।